Each year Jeep has its famous Easter Safari, and at the event some very cool concepts are shown off. One of the concepts this year is the 4Speed, designed to be light, quick, and nimble. The 4Speed has lots of performance thanks to shed weight with a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fender flares, and a carbon fiber rear tub with perforated aluminum. The vehicle also has a custom cage and profile with lots of modifications from stock. The 4Speed is 22 inches shorter than normal, with the stock wheelbase. Dana 44 front and rear axles with 4.10 gears and 18-inch wheels are used. The wheels are shod in 35-inch BFG Mud Terrain Tires. The interior is highly customized and power for the Jeep is from a 2.0L Turbo 4. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic, despite the name 4Speed hinting at less forward gears.